So I'm going to do a little mock pack right now. I'm putting everything into there. I've got my 2 laptops. This is my MacBook Air, and then I have a Zephyrus G16. This G16 is going to have that big, huge battery over here. So, and I need to bring this little adapter thing for Asia. Putting 2 laptops side by side, I don't want the metal bodies to scratch each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one into this sleeve. I have the Zephyrus in the sleeve, and then I'm going to put my Mac in the back, just like that. Put the mouse right here. So these 2 right here, I don't know where I'm going to put the AirPods. I'll probably put them right there. Right there. This will help me weigh the bag. So we always bring this wherever we go to weigh the bag, because we're at 8.62 kilograms with no clothes in there. So this is going to be easily a 20-pound bag. Socks and underwear. Socks, underwear. I bought this in Thailand. 120 milliliters is too big. So these 2 need to go into my bigger bag for now. This one's 120 milliliters as well. I will bring my bar soap. So I'm going to bring some smaller things. This is 100 milliliter, good to go. This will be good to go. 118 milliliters need to go over here. This will count as my carry-on and personal item. This is the little baggie with nail clippers. If I have eczema or something over there, this will help out. I have a Tom Talk little shoulder bag that I'll bring. This is going to help keeping my cash organized when I'm in like Hong Kong and Vietnam. Put some stuff into there. This will hang outside, the clip over here. These 2 I'll put in the toiletry bag. We're looking pretty spacious still. My two of my favorite lightweight shirts that are pretty breathable. Okay. So this will clip right here like this. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. This cable, this is gonna be my main cable for on the plane. So it's a USB Type-C. I can plug it into USB. It's got all 3 at the bottom. And then this cable will go in the front right here. So just a quick breakdown. I have my little router in here for certain places, connecting both my phones and both my laptops. So figuring out where you're going to put all your crap is kind of important. So it's not like all pushing into one area of the bag. And that's kind of like one of the biggest thing where I need to balance the weight up here, over here, and then the bottom side. Alright, so that's what that's kind of looking like. We are looking at about 11.95 kilograms.